My name is Anthony Franco. I'm the CEO and founder of MC Squares. MC Squares are handheld whiteboards that easily snap together on a wall to create larger collaborative whiteboards. They're infinitely flexible, as we like to say, from cubicle to conference room to campus. So the inspiration for MC Squares came from my experience running workshops for Fortune 1000 companies. This is my fifth tech startup. The one right before this was a company called Effective UI. We did consulting for large organizations, and I would always wind up running workshops and struggled with I had no problem getting pompous executives like me to speak up and share their ideas, but the people with the best ideas, the introverts, they were the ones that I wanted to get to share. And so I tried all kinds of different things. We tried iPad applications and interactive displays and Legos, and none of them really worked. And then I carved up a whiteboard, handed a whiteboard around the room, and it was like magic. It energized the room and got those introverts to feel more comfortable sharing in those workshop environments. I immediately knew when I decided to spend money and manufacture a product, I wanted to protect my IP. I actually started, don't hate me for this, I started with LegalZoom, which I knew that wasn't going to get me the patent I wanted, but it made me familiar with the process. And then I took that really badly formed patent and brought it to the firm that I now use, which is Sheridan Ross. And they've walked us through the patent process, love the firm, realize there's a big difference between a bad patent and a good patent. And it has helped. It's helped us when we talk to our customers that it's patent pending, that we're the only place that folks can get it. It helps us when we talk to investors. It increases the valuation of the company. So I'm a very strong believer in protecting your IP.
Radio communication has not changed over the past 40 years. To talk, you had to push a button. To listen, you had to release that button. If two people try to talk at the same time and pushing the button, they'd jam one another and nobody would hear or understand what's going on. This can create very dangerous situations. That's why we invented multi-voice. With this radio, you can have up to 8 people talking at any one moment and everybody will hear them. Multi-voice has no base station, therefore you can use it on the go. It's easy setup, you simply turn them on and they connect and work. Included in all multi-voice radios are noise cancellation techniques. We have active noise cancellation on all headsets, such that if you're using a headset like this in a high noise environment, it will cancel the environmental noise so that you can easily be heard. SWAT teams like it because it's so fast to set up. They can have instant communications as they're doing entry into a building. Construction crews use it because it improves their safety. There's no base station and they can continue to operate as they move around in their different environments. Industrial plants use it because it improves their efficiency, makes things go much smoother on the plant floor, and allows communication in a high noise environment. Being a small company, we needed patent protection. Therefore, we went to Kilpatrick Townsend. Kilpatrick Townsend is known for having highly technical people as patent attorneys. We went with Matt Crookston, who has a master's in physics. Explaining our technology to him was very easy because he was quick to understand what exactly we were doing, and therefore made the patent process much easier and much quicker. Having patent protection has really helped our company. As a matter of fact, it helped us to raise $5 million in an early round of investment. Since then, we have received many more patents, which has helped increase the value of our company.
Hi, my name is Charlie Owen. I'm inventor of Laminal, the first effective drug treatment for laminitis in horses. Laminitis is inflammation of the horse's foot that in severe cases causes death. It's the second leading cause of death in horses, and great racehorses, Secretariat and Barbaro, died from this disease. This disease has been happening since the beginning of mankind, or the evolution of horses, and I have come up with the first treatment to resolve this issue. Laminal is a mast cell stabilizer formulation that inhibits the inflammatory response that causes laminitis without excess inflammatory mediators, the foot will not be insulted by inflammation, and it will resolve and prevent laminitis from happening. Well, I'm working with Paul Pendergrast at Brownstein and Hyatt, and Paul has been with me from the beginning. And patents go beyond just the clinical aspect of paperwork and getting granted. And Paul has gotten me to have my patents granted on my laminitis. And what we look for as an inventor is that the patent is a gateway to our dream. Without our patents, we cannot get to market, or we cannot raise capital. In my case, I'm almost through the process of getting to market, but it really helps with trying to raise capital and to substantiate or give credibility to your product. And the people behind the scene are more instrumental in getting the process done than just filing paperwork. They really believe in you. They push you forward, and they help you when things get difficult. They can help you navigate the getting your patents done and getting you through the process to again get into market, because my product is a life-saving animal product, and at this point animals are dying every day because I can't get to market yet. So getting these patents granted, and they were just granted this past summer, I'll be able to be in a position to raise money so I can get to market.